run through a few things about how to use your pivot tray. And this is what you get sort of in the little green bag we've got for you. You got two blue remotes. They operate your top winch. You've also got a lead that plugs into here, which operates your top winch. And you've got another two remotes that actually operates the tray, and also another lead which goes in underneath here. Okay, so that plugs into there and that'll operate the pivot tray. You've got a manual, step-by-step manual to go through if you need to brush up on anything or know exactly how to use it. This is your operational key. I always leave it on the keys so that there's no way that you can leave it in the key switch, right? So you just take the red key, goes in here, turn it clockwise, and then you're ready to operate the pivot tray. Something that's longer than your tray, you can put your tailgate down flat. Look on there. These are rated at a couple hundred kilos, right? Obviously I wouldn't be overloading it. And you also have the ability to put it up like that. Okay, so you've got a bit of flexibility on what you can put on your tray. I hope that this works out really well for you. You tell all your mates, and yeah, it works out to be a good experience for you. Thanks for trusting us and sending your ute all the way over here, and happy days, mate. Take it easy.